Go ahead.
You tell me something.
Oh, I thought you were going to tell me a story.
I want to tell the Lucy.
You want me to tell you Once Upon a Time Lucy story?
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there's a little girl named
Lucy.
and her little sister's name was,
Me.
and her little brother's name was,
Baby Rider.
and her mama's name was,
And Crab.
and her dad's name was,
Uncle Jimmy.
and they all lived together in
Happy place.
what was the name of the happy place?
House.
Yeah, the house. What's the name? What's the name of the city where they live? San
Diego.
Oh, yeah. What's San Diego like? Are there trees? Does it snow?
Yes.
No. Is there a beach?
On the beach?
It snows on the beach? I don't think so.
No.
No.
It says in the beaches sometimes. It says on the ladders.
On the ladders?
Yes.
Oh. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lucy, and she woke up and she said, I want to go to the park and play at the playground. And so her mama took her to the playground. The end.
Again?